Every day, we wake up and check our phones before we even speak to another person. We track our sleep, our steps, our emotions through apps and algorithms. And the question we rarely ask is, are we becoming more human with technology or more machine-like because of it? Technology has always been part of our evolution. We built tools to extend our reach, amplify our minds, and make life easier. But now, AI isn't just helping us. It's shaping how we think, feel, and connect. When we let algorithms decide what we see, who we follow, and even how we express ourselves, we start to behave a little less like humans and a little more like machines. Think about it. We measure success with metrics. We optimize our lives like systems. We communicate with emojis instead of emotion. But maybe that's not the full story. Because in a strange twist, the more machines evolve to imitate us, the more we're reminded of what makes us different. AI can simulate empathy, but not feel it. It can write poetry, but not mean it. It can mimic love, but not live it. So perhaps as technology gets smarter, it's also pushing us to rediscover our most human traits: curiosity, emotion, imperfection, and soul. We're not just becoming more machine-like, we're also learning to be more aware of what humanity truly is. Because being human was never about perfection or speed. It's about feeling, connecting, and creating meaning beyond logic. So maybe the real evolution isn't humans turning into machines, but machines reminding us what it means to be human. The line between human and machine is fading. But maybe that's exactly where our next story begins. I'm Cynthia, and this is SynthiaTek, exploring the future of humanity, technology, and